Dear students, let us begin a new day with asking the blessing from the Almighty. Let us believe the presence of God everywhere. Today, the second lecture of the same chapter, chapter 6, triangles. Chapter 6, triangles. So, the first lecture we have seen an important theorem. An important theorem. In this chapter, I have told you two theorems are there, and the first one is already covered. And today, the second theorem, the most important theorem, that is theorem number 6.8, and is known as Pythagoras theorem. It is known as Pythagoras theorem. So it's very important. Theorem 6.8, page number 145. Heading is given Pythagoras theorem, and the theorem is given here. Page number 145, 6.8, Pythagoras theorem. You can expect the question, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So you need to learn this statement is statement compulsion. Some theorem you will get the statement including the question, prove that, then you will get the statement. But this is, the special name is given, Pythagoras theorem. So then they will ask, state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So the statement is compulsory. You won't get the statement in the question paper. So read and memorize the statement. What is statement? Page number 145. In a right angled triangle, we are discussing about a right angle. Right angle triangle is given. Triangle ABC is right angle. Angle B is right angle. Different shape of triangle I have made in this board. Your textbook is different shape, but angle B is right angle. In your textbook also, the figure is angle B is right angle. So here also, angle B is right angle. So no difference. Little bit shape is different, but here also right angle triangle, and here also right angle triangle. And here angle B is right angle. In your textbook, you can see angle B is right angle already shown. Here also, the board itself. Here star is drawn, and the right angle triangle, angle B is right angle. Okay, similar. You can draw this, which is much more easy. Okay. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. The square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So listen here, right angle triangle BC, three sides are there, AB, BC and AC. So the longest side AC is called the hypotenuse. AC is called the hypotenuse, and these two other two sides, BC is called the base, and the third side is AB. The square of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse AC. The square of AC, that is AC square. AC square equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides are AB and BC. Then what is the square of AB? AB, the square of AB, AB square. Square of BC, that is BC square. Okay. So you can write AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is very simple here. The square of the hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Very simple. पहले hypotenuse का square कर लो, मेजरमेंट ले लेना इसका, साइड का मेजरमेंट लेके इसको स्क्वायर कर लो, फिर ये साइड ए बी का भी मेजरमेंट ले लो, इसका स्क्वायर कर लो, ये बी सी का मेजरमेंट ले लो, इसका स्क्वायर कर लो. अगर ये दोनों साइड का स्क्वायर प्लस करेगा तो ये ए सी स्क्वायर का इक्वल होगा. दैट इज ए सी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ए बी स्क्वायर प्लस बी सी स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू प्रूव? स्टेटमेंट इन दिया. सो स्टेटमेंट मेमोराइज तो करना पड़ेगा, क्वेश्चन पेपर में नहीं आएगा. तो मेमोराइज इट. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Then, to prove, what we need to prove? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Then, proof. For proof, we need to construct BD. BD perpendicular to AC. We need to construct a perpendicular line. BD, that is. So what happened? There are two triangles. Already three, total three. One is ADE or ABD. और DBC, ये दोनों छोटा smaller triangles newly formed. The one is ADB and DBC, and another one is the bigger one ABC. So BD perpendicular to AC. Therefore triangle ADB and triangle ABC. ADB ये ADB similar to triangle ABC. Then therefore, if two triangles are there similar, then their sides are corresponding sides are proportional. You can write AD by AB equal to AB by AC. Now cross multiply AB into AB squared, AD into AC equal to AC squared. You can write here multiplication mark or you can put multiplication right here into. This is into. Okay, you can put there into mark. Okay, here also you can put the multiplication mark. Now, what is that? Cross multiply AD into AC equal to AB into AB squared, and here also the same way CD by BC equal to BC by AC. Therefore, here also cross multiply CD into AC equal to BC into BC squared. Can take this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So from equation number 1 and 2, you can write left side here AD into AC. So AD into AC plus CD into AC equal to AB squared. Equation number 1 का right side है AB squared, 2 का right side है BC squared. AB squared plus BC squared. Now these two, AC is common. We can take AC outside. AC into AD plus CD equal to AB squared plus. Then AD plus CD. What is AD plus CD? AD plus CD equal to AC. So AC into AC, that is AC squared. AC squared equal to AB squared plus BC squared. So very simple, smaller, but it is huge, very important, the most important theorem in this chapter. दो ही theorem था, इसमें से दोनों में से comparatively this one is most important. So these two theorems ready for the board examination. Okay, you can expect for the first time examination. One of these theorem will be coming for the first time examination. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem. I have told you memorize the statement because the name is given Pythagoras theorem. So then you will get the question state and prove Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the first one, the first theorem. So okay, prove. Then इसमें statement मिलेगा, लेकिन इसमें statement नहीं मिलेगा क्योंकि इसका name है. The theorem, special name is here Pythagoras theorem. So you cannot expect the statement. So the question will be state and prove Pythagoras theorem. So what to do is to memorize the statement. You have to memorize the statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Then beautiful figure for each and every theorem. Triangle, square, whatever it may be, circle, the theorem related, the figure related with that theorem is compulsory. So write the statement underneath, just below, draw the figure. Then to prove what we need to prove, AC squared equal to AB squared plus C squared. Then proof. This is the heart of the theorem. Proof is the heart of the theorem. So okay. Now again another important theorem. So example 11. ये भी रिवाइज सिलेबस में आपको दिया हुआ है, एग्जाम 11 आएगा, इसमें से एक ही एग्जाम 11 ही पढ़ने का आपको, ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज दैट? ए लैडर इज प्लेस्ड. मैंने कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा है, तो आप देखिए पेज नंबर, प्लीज टेक पेज नंबर 147 एग्जाम्पल 11 है ना. ओनली एग्जाम्पल 11 it will be asking from this chapter. A ladder is placed against a wall such that its foot is at a distance of 2.5 meter from the wall and its top reaches a window at 6 meter above the ground. Find the length of the ladder. And the story, this is the wall AC, it is given that AB is the ladder. AB is the ladder. Diwar is the ladder. This is ladder. So this is AC is the wall. ये दीवार है, AC परपेंडिकुलर दीवार है और ये डिस्टेंस है यहाँ से ladder से ladder So AB is the ladder and AC the height of the wall. The height of the wall is given 6 meters. The distance between foot BC, that is 2.5 meter. Okay. So then what will happen? Then we will get the shape of a right angled triangle. Then we will get the shape of the right angled triangle. Then what? Then write let AB be the ladder. This is compulsory. You need to write AB the ladder and and CA is the what? BC is the measurement diameter 2.5, CA equal to 1. Now, according to the Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem? The hypotenuse AB. So you can write AB squared equal to BC squared plus CS squared. AB is the hypotenuse. It is our CD. It is our ladder. So use the Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. The other two sides AC and BC. So you can write AB squared equal to BC squared plus CS squared. BC 2.5. So you can write 2.5 the whole square plus CA 6 into 6 plus 6 the whole square. 2.5 the whole square. 25 the whole square is 625. So you can write 6.25. Okay. 25 square. How much it is 25 square? 625. Therefore 2.5 the whole square equal to how many decimal? 1 decimal. The square is 2 decimal. So 6.25. You can write down. Okay. 6.25 plus 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 6 42.5. 36 0 0 or 6.25 equal to 5 2 decimal 6 plus 2 and 42.25. Now therefore AB equal to root of 42.25. 42.25 root कैसे आएगा? 4225 का root आपको मालूम है. 4225 का root है 65. So therefore here 2 decimal place है. Then square root में कितना होगा? 8 decimal place होगा. Equal to 6.1. So the length of the ladder equal to 6.5. So it's very interesting, very important. So memorize, write 2-3 times. Do 2-3 times. Then it will be automatically saved in your brain. Okay, in memory. Okay. Mathematics I have told you only by doing. You have to you will learn the math. By reading, okay, you will get very little thing. But by writing and doing maths theorem, you can read the theorem at least 5 or 10 times. Then you write it 2-3 times. Then you will get a eye hand brain coordination. Okay. So get a rough book and do it all this practice all things. Okay. So here you can conclude this chapter 6. So for time being, I am stopping these classes and we are going to prepare for the first term exam, first semester examination, and sooner or later you will be getting the question paper format. You will have the question from all these chapters. I will give the detailed syllabus and the syllabus, how many chapters are expected to come to the examination, and what will be the the question paper format, and I will give a special video for that particular purpose. So today it's enough, and complete this chapter, and we can conclude with this theorem. We can conclude this chapter. Take care till then. Bye bye.